Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. This chicken dish is stuffed to perfection, wrapped in flaky, crispy puff pastry and baked in the oven. You're gonna want to make this recipe, it is so good. Stay with me and let's get started. Start by making the filling. 16 ounces of the best ricotta you can find, whole milk of course. Add to that 10 ounces of chopped spinach. This is previously frozen. I squeezed all the liquid out of it. 5 ounces of grape tomatoes. The seasoning is pretty simple. Salt, black pepper, paprika, and some oregano. Just a touch. You don't want a lot of liquid in the filling, so try to drain everything well. I grate about 6 ounces of mozzarella cheese. Add 1 egg. And you can skip it if you prefer. You're gonna add some bacon, about 6 to 7 strips of very crispy thin bacon. I'll be leaving all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. Mix the mixture very well and set it aside. Now I'm gonna work on the chicken. I'm gonna need 4 chicken breasts. You can slice them really thin or you can pound them just like so. You want them to be relatively thin. This is perfect. I set aside and finish the rest. Now I'm gonna work on the puff pastry. I'm gonna need 2 of these squares. I add some flour, remove the extra, and I'm gonna line the chicken on top of the puff pastry. 1 layer of chicken, try to cover most of the space. Add salt and black pepper. And a generous amount of the filling. We're gonna be able to make 2 of these rolls. Add a touch more mozzarella if you want. You're gonna wrap it gently, just like so. If you're liking my recipes and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. I'm going to do an egg wash. Secure it just like so. And the egg wash is 1 egg with a little bit of water mixed in. Whisked very well. Brush all the surface. You're going to secure the edges with a fork just like so. And make some slits with a sharp knife. We want the steam to escape and for it to puff nicely. Bake at a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes. The puff pastry will be golden and flaky. The filling will be cheesy. The chicken still very moist. I really hope you give it a try soon. It was an amazing dish. And until next time, bon appétit!